Hi guys, this is Joe from Techie Lobang. Welcome to the year 2020. So this is my first video for this year, and I decided that for this 2020 I will share with you whatever that I have bought online, whether it's good or bad, or is it stupid or not. I will share it on my video, so you can judge for yourself or judge for me whether I bought lousy things or not. So without further ado, let me show you what is this. It's in Chinese. It's from Mijia or from VIOMI, and it is a traveling cup. It says a traveling cup, but to me it's a traveling flask. So what it will do as compared to other traveling flasks is that it has built-in cord by itself, whereby you can actually boil your water using the same flask. Very simple design. I like it though. So let me show you the real thing. And here it is. This is the flask that I'm talking about. Very simplified design or simple design. It has, let me show you. It has just one button. The top one is power, which is to keep at warm temperature, and the next one is actually 煮沸, which is to boil the water. So one is to boil the water, and the other one is just to keep the water at a certain temperature. So how you use it is just click on this button when it's there's power, and double click it to go to the next power, which is to keep the water warm. So the biggest point about this flask is at the bottom. This is where all the cords are hidden. So let me show you. Open it up. You can see it's all built in, and this is the plug. Unfortunately, this is a China product, so the plug is actually used in China. So what the supplier has helped me or helped the buyer is by providing a traveler plug. If you are traveling to another country, you have to get this plug, or make sure that you can use this plug, or you can use a adapter plug for it. And just to take note, this device or this item actually uses 220 volt, and that means to say that you will have to make sure that the country you visit or the place you visit has a 220 volt. It does not automatically adjust the voltage. And let me show you what's inside. See, there's water inside because I've been using it. So maybe let me do a quick test for you. Okay, I'm back. So let's start with a little demonstration on how this works. First, of course, you have to fill in the water, and do make sure that you don't overfill it because it has a very limited capacity. In my opinion, do not go to the maximum line. Maybe you can see from here, because of the boiling effect. So this is just a simple warning for you. Let me start the boiling. That's it, started. So let's wait for it to boil.
A few moments later.
Okay, let us check. Okay, you can see that there's heat forming up from the below. So one thing to note, do not cap this when you're boiling the water, because it will cause a super high pressure to be formed, and then you will get injured by this high pressure. So can you hear the loud sound from the boiling water? Yeah, it's almost there.
A few moments later.
Okay, it's boiling now. One of the good feature about this flask is that it has a automatic cut-off device or system or sensor, whereby it will cut off by itself one is in the boiling point. So I'll wait for it to cut off by itself. As you can see, the water is boiling. So this is what I mean. If you are filling up too high up into this line, it may into this line, the water might spill over. So just be careful about it, okay?
A few moments later.
Okay, the power is cut off and the boiling is done. So I did mention that there's another feature is to keep the water warm. So what you can do is you click it twice and the LED actually appears above the keep warm Chinese word. So this is actually to keep the water warm while inside the flask. So I'll off it. And that is it. You have your hot water in the flask and no extra cables for you to keep, because you can all store it inside this nifty little gadget.